In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple charts on TradingView. This is perfect if you want to compare different markets side by side or keep an eye on multiple time frames at once without switching tabs. First, open a chart in TradingView so you're on the standard charting interface. Once your chart is up, direct your attention to the top right corner of the chart area. You'll see a small square icon that looks like a grid. That's the multi-chart layout button. It sits among the other chart controls, and it's designed to be easy to spot when you know where to look. Click that square icon. A layout menu will appear showing several ways to split your charting space. You'll see options like 2 charts side by side, a horizontal split, a 3-panel layout, and a 4-panel grid, among others. Each layout simply defines how many charts you'll view at once and how they're arranged on your screen. This menu is your quick way to pick a layout that matches your workflow, whether you're comparing 2 symbols, monitoring correlated assets, or reviewing the same instrument across different time frames. Now, select the layout you want. As soon as you choose one, TradingView will divide the workspace accordingly, and your charts will populate into each pane. That's really all there is to it. The platform handles the arrangement automatically, so you get an organized multi-view setup with one click. A quick but important note, multi-chart layouts are available only on paid plans. If you're on a free plan, you may see a prompt to upgrade when you try to access these layouts. This isn't an error, it's simply how the feature is gated. If you already have a paid plan, you'll be able to use any multi-chart layout shown in the menu. A couple of practical tips to help you get the most out of this feature. Choose a layout that fits your screen size comfortably. If you're on a smaller display, fewer panes can help keep everything readable. And remember that more charts on screen can require more computing resources, so pick the layout that keeps things smooth and clear for your setup. That's it. Open a chart, click the square layout icon in the top right, choose the multi-chart layout that suits your needs, and you're ready to monitor multiple views at once. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more efficient workflow on TradingView.